Here's how to fix Steam slow disk usage. First, open the Steam application. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. From the menu on the left, click Downloads. Scroll down until you find the Clear Download Cache option. Click Clear Cache and confirm the action. Steam will restart automatically. Once Steam opens again, return to Settings and select Downloads from the left-hand menu. Scroll back to the top of the page and find the Download Region option. Select a download region that's closest to your current location. Choosing a nearby server can help improve your download performance. After changing the download region, restart Steam again so the new settings can take effect. While you're in the download settings, make sure the Limit Download Speed option is turned off or unchecked. Now, try downloading your game again and check if the disk usage and download speed have improved. If the issue continues, click Steam in the top left corner and select Check for Steam Client Updates. Make sure you're running the latest version of Steam. If an update is available, download and install it before testing your download again. If you've tried all of these methods and the problem still remains, you can try rebuilding the Windows search index. Open the Start menu and search for Indexing Options. Open the Indexing Options application and click Advanced. Under the Troubleshooting section, select Rebuild and Confirm by clicking OK. Next, click Modify at the bottom of the window. Select the drive or locations where your Steam files are stored. For example, if Steam is installed on your C drive, select the C drive from the list. Click OK to add the selected location. Now, return to the Advanced Settings and click Rebuild again. Confirm the action by selecting OK. Windows will now rebuild the search index for the selected location. This process may take some time, so wait until it has finished. Once the indexing process is complete, try downloading your game through Steam again and check whether the slow disk usage problem has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.